Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to another clean with me video. So in this video I'm doing my whole entire house and it took me literally all day, so I've got a lot of cleaning motivation in this video for you. I hope that you enjoy and yeah, let's get our clean on.
So tell me what to do when nothing, no one ever comes close to you. For the longest time I've been trying to find someone like you, but I keep crashing back into all the things that you would do. For the longest time I've been out of my mind, trying to lose every single trace of you, but I know it's true that nothing, nothing, I said nothing comes close to you.
So as we all know, this corner is literally the bane of my life, and obviously I've got like a TV there as well and a mirror. They're just things that I haven't quite put up or done anything with at the moment, so I'm looking to be sorting that out as soon as lockdown's over so that I can sort of put things in places or get rid of things. And I will be getting a wardrobe here very soon. Just yeah, watch out for when I end up doing eventually a bedroom transformation one day.
And getting off easy, like I'm doing time yet without parole. Got me flirting with disaster, but I'm all in, gotta go for gold. So tell me what to do when nothing, no one ever comes close to you. For the longest time I've been trying to find someone like you, but I keep crashing back into all the things that you would do. For the longest time I've been out of my mind, trying to lose every single trace of you, but I know it's true that nothing, nothing, I said nothing comes close to you.
I told you every single time, don't you worry. You would always call me at the wrong time.
So when I'm cleaning a room or the entire house, to be fair, I like to open up the blinds fully, especially when it's sunny, because it just makes it so much brighter. And I like to open a window just to keep it all aired and clean and things like that. So yeah, it's one of my favourite things to do when I'm actually cleaning because it does make a big difference. So that's another room complete. I absolutely love this 1001 spray for the carpet and also my Febreze spray. I do it in every room at the end. It's like my little thing. And yeah, I'm happy that it's all clean and tidy after Harrison completely trashed it.
Every time we spend time, I wanna do this for the last time. I don't need it, no, I don't need it, no, don't need you here to feel alright. I
I absolutely love this stuff. I use it on my shower screen and on my taps to get the lime scale off, and it is really good because we live in quite a hard water area, and it is honestly really, really good. It's like less scrubbing, if you like, so that it actually, and it gets up the taps and stuff up really shiny when you're finished with it. So yeah, I highly recommend it. And this is me, if you just see that me doing that there. Basically, all the kids and Jonathan wanted me at once, and I was like, I'm trying to clean the bathroom, like, does anybody else get that, like, interrupted when you're actually trying to get a job done? So I decided to just clean the bathroom floor with the Flora spray and a wipe. It didn't need that much cleaning anyway, and if I'm honest with you, I just couldn't be bothered to bring up the mop, so this is why I ended up cleaning the floor by hand, but it does the job.
We collide, we break down, caving in to our doubts. Faces filled with sadness. When words are said, we'll regret. I can see the fire that we made just to save us. When we try to make up for never letting go. Said the things we promised not to say, then we break up just to start all over, even though we know this is the hard way better. We can't be heartache together. This is the hard way to better. Put your body on the kitchen table and move the dishes to the side. Yeah, girl, you always tend to drive me crazy, looking at me with those eyes. Yeah. Put some music on, turn the lights down low, throw the pillows off the bed, blow the candles out, move your body slow. You got something on your mind, I'ma try to help you let it go.
Oh, and by the way, I absolutely love having a dishwasher. Like, literally, it is life-changing. I thank the person who invented dishwashers. Honestly, it saves so much time.
Help you let it. Baby, I still wear the shirt you gave me, 'cause it reminds me of the times when I was down and you were there to save me, telling me that I'll be fine. Put some music on, turn the lights down low, throw the pillows off the bed, blow the candles out, move your body slow. You got something on your mind, I'ma try to help you let it go. Try to help you let it go. Try to help you let it. If you got something on your mind, I'ma try to help you let it go. You got something on your mind, I'ma try to help you let it go. Baby, I'ma try to help you let it go. Oh, no. Try to help you let it go. Try to help you let it go. Try to help you let it go.
So, this is my old sofa from my old house, and I absolutely do not like it anymore. It is ruined. I am waiting to get a new sofa. I'm going to get a 3-piece suite. But obviously we're on lockdown at the moment, so I cannot order one. So I will be doing, I'll be doing a living room transformation eventually, and I'm hoping to get things up on the wall because it's very bare in here at the moment. But yeah, things will just have to wait.
Love is blind. I thought I saw you smile. I saw you smile.
Yes, all done. I literally was so happy. I literally done a happy dance, but that's what I tend to do when I'm finished for the day. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. I do hope that you did enjoy this video. As you can see, my living room is very bare. I'm still doing it up, and I hope that you are all well. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe and like this video, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.